You guys, it is day 5, swish and swipe, and I cannot even believe how fast this chore is. It took literally 2 minutes, 33 seconds to get a clean countertop, clean sinks, and a clean toilet. So I just have a couple of notes for you as you are doing your own swish and swipe, and that is tip number 1, do this right after you are done getting ready. That way all of your hair and makeup and things like that you'll already be done getting ready and getting things messy, so you can just clean it up right when you're finished. So wait till you're done getting ready before you do your swish and swipe. Number 2 is use supplies that you have stored in your bathroom already, so you don't even have to go anywhere. I keep those disinfectant wipes in that black cabinet up in the top shelf there, and I keep my washcloths and a small spray bottle of cleaner up there so that it is always ready for me in the morning when I'm ready to do my own swish and swipe. So keep your supplies in the bathroom. And then tip 3 is to teach your children to take care of their own bathrooms. If you teach your kids to clean their own bathroom, it is just one less thing for you to do. Now, I have my kids do their bathrooms every Monday as part of the Monday weekly routine. I'll go in there and check it out, and then I'll just give them notes. So, for example, my youngest son had to clean around his sink stopper. There was some buildup there. So, he's 16 and he doesn't really notice that kind of thing, but I do. So I go and tell him, hey, clean out around your sink stopper. And he does it. So I don't have to. Definitely teach your kids to take care of their own chores. So look how good that looks, and it took 2 minutes and 33 seconds. We're not deep cleaning, we're just taking care of things little by little, day by day. So now you can get out your checklist, and hopefully you've already done your dishes, made your bed, done the laundry, gotten dressed, and now you have done your swish and swipe. So the one thing that I want to remind myself of is the fact that this literally takes no time at all, and it keeps my bathroom in tip-top shape. So make notes for yourself. What do you need to do? Do you need to get some supplies to keep them in your bathroom? Do you need to clean out a shelf so you have space to keep those supplies? Whatever it is that you need to make note of, do that now. And I will see you tomorrow for day 6 of our 14 Days to Fabulous.